Chrysos Morturg served as a member of the Death Guard during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Taken in by the 14th Legion, despite being born not from Holy Terror or Barbarous, Chrysos would be part of an initiative of emergency recruits needed to sustain the Legion's numbers after its decimation during the Rangda genocide campaign. Rising to the rank of lieutenant and discovering latent psychic powers, Morturg would be disliked by his battle brothers for his newly discovered traits. Growing bitter and morbidly resentful in temperament, Morturg would nonetheless prove to be a talented commander and distinguished warrior. Training to become a librarian, his efforts to hone his psychic potential would be stifled with Primarch Mortarian's decision to disband the Legion's librarian. Marked as a proponent of witchcraft by his Primarch, Morturg would be reassigned to the Legion's Destroyer Corps. Often comprised of legionaries deemed too unstable to be deployed in other companies, Morturg's resentment for his Legion would only grow. Marked for death by his battle brothers and Primarch during the betrayal of Istvan III, Morturg would defy his Legion and stand as one of the Loyalist Death Guard's most prominent commanders. Surviving the betrayal, Morturg would escape the planet alongside a few scattered remnants of the Loyalist troops of other legions. His body mutilated during the conflict, Morturg's body would be reshaped and healed by Mechanicum Magos Caleb Decima. Salvaging only his scarred head and a portion of his torso, Morturg would become a meld of metal and heretical conglomerations of biomancy. Testifying to the Terran War Council of the betrayal of the War Master and the traitor legions, Morturg would swear vengeance against his so-called brothers, stating, "I will not pretend to understand the reasons that drove my brothers down the path of ruin. That is for others to tell. Instead, I will seek to remind my lords of what these warriors once were, and so show the height from which they fell." Founding the Black Shield Warband of remnant Loyalist Death Guard Astartes, Morturg would survive the Horus Heresy and be promoted to the rank of Captain of the 108th Independent Company. Assigned command of the Occludus Monitoring Station assigned to observe the treacherous Ghoul Stars during 063.M31, 5 solar years following the conclusion of the Horus Heresy, Morturg would intercept a mysterious astropathic message believed to have originated during the Great Crusade. The message alluding to the actions of the renegade Black Shield Warband, the Ashen Claws. Yet all records of Chrysos Morturg after this time have been lost to history.